Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Magnet Middle School, home of the Vipers in Vista, California. Been here numerous times in years past. This is my second visit though for this school year. And the focus for today's session with the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, the AM, PM students and staff right here in the gym was all about compassion. And the sub-theme was one life at a time. And so when we're talking about compassion, this means basically having empathy for your fellow human being, somebody that's in pain, someone that's hurting, someone that needs help, that you feel something in your heart for that individual or group of people. But then compassion, right, takes it up one more level, and you basically go and help that person or that group of people, right? So you're taking the initiative to not just feel something, but then trying to do something to make it better, right? To make it right, to support that person. And I think it's such an important theme for today's world because, we need a lot more compassion all around, not just here in our school communities, but, out in our neighborhoods where we live, the places that we interact with, inside our own family units. It's a really great topic to keep refocusing on time and again. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some of my past pain that I've been through, hearing some of their painful memories too, we really tried to move past, some of those current hurts or past hurts to make sure that we're all in for this earth. Because we know that in just 2 seconds we can uplift or we can tear down. We have the ability to change one life at a time in just 2 seconds. And we also know that sometimes one act of kindness or compassion requires very little effort, right? Very little time, but it can have a huge, huge impact. It's something that can stay on someone's heart forever, maybe even save a life. And some of the motivational videos that we also watched, some stories of students their age in the news that were making a difference, choosing to be the change and to lead the change, to include people that are less fortunate. I'm hoping that opens some eyes and some hearts and some ears to really understand that the people around us, there's always someone that could really use our assistance, right? And that means we have to keep an open heart to that, right? To know that we can always look for different chances to try to, make a difference each and every day. Here at school, on the playground, recess, after school activities, here in the AM PM group, there's always maybe someone that has a small voice or no voice, and we can choose to be their champion, right? We can choose to try to really help them believe in themselves. And that ties into the concept I bring up in every assembly, the fact that we're all true miracles, like the line I traced on my hand here for the letter M. The front of my shirt says miracle. All of us have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. The M for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, buy into that, hopefully we do, we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? Like you see one of the slides from the presentation today, kind of peeling back that layer of our heart that might be hurting and replacing it with compassion, with love. And knowing that sometimes people that we think deserve love the least are in fact probably the ones that need it the most. And we can choose to do that, right? As leaders, as the Vipers that we are here, what we stand for, here at this middle school and part of the AM PM program. So thanks for touching my heart. It was another beautiful afternoon with all of you. I'll be back again for one more visit this school year in May. Until then though, have a great next few months. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.